Hello everyone, my name is Christine Binger. This is my EDL 854 Module 1 video. Some information about me. I've been teaching this is my 6th year. I did 4 years at 10th grade English, and 1 year last year I did junior English, and this year I'm doing freshman English as well as reading intervention. I'm currently teaching in Kansas City Public Schools at East High School. We have the largest school in our district, serving students from all over the world. We have 52 languages that are spoken in my school, so it's very interesting every day, the things that you learn. I'm also the AVID coordinator for my school, which is something new that my school is starting to do, but I came from a school for 4 years that had AVID, and I was on the site team, so I'm very excited to bring AVID to my current school. And I'm the yearbook sponsor this year for the first time ever, so we'll see how that goes. I was never in yearbook as a student, and I've never been in charge of a club or group or anything like that. Another interesting fact about me, I just got married this summer. It's been about 2 months, so there's a picture of my new husband and I. Why I'm seeking this degree. I like to lead. I like to be in a group and help navigate ideas and be innovative with things. I like to find solutions to problems with that, and that's kind of why I chose this, because I want to be a part of the solution and have these hands-on opportunities. But I definitely know that I do not want to be a head principal. In a perfect world, I would be an assistant principal or some administrative role, but not the number one. My background that leads me to this is I have led my peers as far as my grade level goes. I'm a leader in that. I've led in different events and groups. I held a lot of positions when I was in my sorority in college. I like to implement new and innovative resources, which is also why I took on the AVID program. I think this is a great opportunity for us to expand what our students are able to do and help them get to college. And so taking that on is a leadership role that I'm holding. And I have a voice. I'm not afraid to speak up when things I feel like are wrong or unethical. And I think that that's really important to have in a leader of any kind. And so I think that that's something huge that I bring to the table. As far as my strengths and weaknesses, my strengths are that I am a logical thinker and I think through things really well. I've budgeted in previous positions, not on a large scale, but I have done it, so I know, kind of the time that it takes and how you kind of have to finagle things a bit. And I run a budget at home. However, I run a budget at home is also a weakness because sometimes it's hard to say no to a new pair of shoes or a night out. Another weakness would be technology. I'm not very good at it, so whatever technological resources are available, it takes me a long time to learn them, and I'm sure that there are many within a budget, within a budgeting factor. And the other thing is I'm really not aware of what finance looks like for a school. I know people talk about budgets, they talk about spending and all that stuff, but I don't know the actual what that means for a school. So that's me. I look forward to getting to know everybody throughout this class, and good luck.